Freeze effect after effects. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser, then search for 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝗲𝗀. When the site loads, type winter cold surface ice texture into the search bar. Look for the texture made by 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀, then select it and press free download so you can save the file. After you finish downloading it, open After Effects on your device. Create a new composition and set the basic settings based on what you need for your project. When the workspace is ready, import both the ice texture and the footage you want to use. Drag your footage into the timeline so it becomes the base layer. Then bring the texture into the project panel so it is ready for later. Duplicate the footage layer by pressing Ctrl+D so you have 2 copies. Now press G on your keyboard to switch to the pen tool. Use the pen tool to draw a mask around the glass or the part of the footage that you want to freeze. After you finish masking, go to Effect and Presets and search for CC Cylinder. Drag this effect onto the texture layer so it can wrap and curve in a way that fits the glass. Adjust the settings until the texture matches the shape. Then drag the texture layer beneath the masked footage layer. Go to the Track Matte menu and change the matte setting to Alpha Matte so the texture fits perfectly inside the mask. After that, select both the masked layer and the texture layer together. Press Ctrl+Shift+D to pre-compose them and merge everything into one group. Change the blending mode of this new pre-comp to screen so it blends naturally with the footage. Add a mask to the pre-comp layer to shape the frozen effect more cleanly. Then adjust the feather setting until it looks smooth. Go back to Effect and Presets and search for Roughen Edges. Apply this effect to the pre-comp and adjust the settings to make the ice look more natural. Turn on the keyframe for mask path. Then set the first keyframe low at the bottom. Move forward in your timeline and make the second keyframe bigger by scaling it up so the freeze effect grows. You can choose any point in the video to freeze frame the footage for a stopping moment. When all keyframes are set, select them and press F9 so they ease smoothly.